Greetings from England. I've been asked the difference between an independent senior school and a public school. This is always a question that I dread answering because actually it's a little bit more complicated than most people think. So, a senior school, independent senior school, is a school that is not run by the government. And it normally goes from 11 to 18 or 13 to 18. So it is an independent school. It's independent of the government, even though the government will tell the school what really they can do and teach. Where a public school is a school that's not for the public. It is still an independent senior school, and the public schools are normally referring to the most famous boarding schools in England. So, schools like Eton and Harrow and Winchester and Wickham Abbey and Cheltenham Ladies College, they are known as the big public schools. Sometimes the public schools are really just a name for the most famous independent senior schools in the UK, often known as name schools. And the benchmark is often that these schools are known worldwide rather than a minor public school or an ordinary senior school, which probably only caters for families that live in a 20 to 30-mile radius and are actually often just day schools. If you look up public schools, there's a list of schools, but that was a very long time ago. So normally a public school, it's not open to the public, it's fees paying school, but they were referred to as being public schools because many of these schools, when they started, were actually religious schools. So you had to be a Christian and go to church to be able to go to these schools. And then these schools said, no, we want to be able to take anyone. So we are going to call ourselves public schools, even though they're not open to the general public. Rather confusing, but I hope that helps. See you next time.